Hey everyone, Jordan with Green Bay Classics YouTube. We are currently at Terry's Engine it's actually Howard, I was going to say Green Bay, close enough. We are picking up the big block for the cursed Camaro. So we will go in, check everything out. You'll take get a little glimpse inside the engine shop. Terry's is, well, now they've had our engine twice, so it's a nice shop. Showboat Shane is the one who's built our big block both times now. And just looking forward to get it back in that Camaro. So stay tuned and thank you very much for watching. Here we are, just about ready to pick up the big block. Got the truck ready and then we'll go in. So again, this is Terry's Engine. It's actually in Howard, but pretty much Green Bay. And then Shane was getting my big block ready as we speak, so I'm excited for that. And then here she is. The first thing you'll notice is that we got rid of the orange, so I'm really excited that we went with black. It's gonna go with the car so much better. And then Showboat Shane, pretty much everyone knows Showboat. Anyone from WIR anyway. Awesome. And I'll get us putting it in the trailer too. Thanks for watching. There's Terry himself. The man, the myth, the legend.